name is Sherry Bixler. I have a pattern, sample, production, and consulting company, and we cater to people who want to start their own fashion company. And today we're going to talk about how to make clothing for a small dog, and I want to introduce my good friend Fox. She's going to be our model for today. Now there are two important measurements that we do want to take, and the first measurement is the distance between her two front legs, about 3 inches. And we also want the circumference of her front leg, and that is about 9 inches. So we're going to indicate here the 3 inches, because here's 1.5 inches on both sides. We have this folded, and we want a circumference of about 9 inches. So all we do simply is take this, fold it 4 ways, and what will happen is it will make a circle. Sometimes a perfect circle. So anyway, we put her legs through the 2 holes. Whoa! And we just drape this around her. Get yourself a ink pen, a pencil, whatever, and you're simply going to draw here, okay? You'll draw to the back a little bit over, a little bit on top of the tail. You come back here. One of the most important things, the single most important thing, is that it can be cut long back here, but on the underside it needs to come up a little bit under the arms, not too far back, because what's going to happen when you're walking the dog, if the dog uses the bathroom, the dog is going to ruin the coat if it's cut too far back. So it needs to be cut more towards the front and snug, so it does not interfere when the dog goes to the bathroom. Now everyone loves to put beautiful things on their dogs, like little bows and buttons and different things. You can put those on the back and just make sure they don't chew them off and have to go to the vet. What you basically do is when you finish, you'll have something like this. And this is the fold. You would cut this on the fold because you don't want a seam back here, but you want a seam on the underside because it's more attractive for the top to be clean. Okay, so that's basically our coat. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the finished product, okay? So this is an actual coat that we made for Fox from the pattern. And you want something that's easy to get on and off the dog, okay? And I'm going to put her arms through these holes. I made it decorative. I put a collar. I put an acorn button here. And then I put a little lace back here, a little stretch lace, so it closes in around her body. So that's basically it. I want to thank you for joining Fox and I today, okay? And you can find out more about me, Sherry Bixler, at my site. I'm also the author of How to Start a Fashion Company. Thank you.